everyone. Thank you for joining me today for our morning meeting. We will do 3 things in our morning meeting, and this is something that we would do every day in the classroom. So we will share what today is. We will share some events that have happened on this day in history, and we will share some motivation. Throughout the video, there will be some different challenges. You can either reply in the comments, or my students, you can send me an email, you can create a Google slide presentation or a Google document and share those with me, or you can do something creative that I have not mentioned, and I can't wait to see that as well. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will provide a link along with this video, and then you will get updates regarding our read aloud and daily debrief and things like that. So the first thing, today is March 26th, and it is National Spinach Day. I happen to like spinach, but the challenge is for you to tell me what the health benefits of spinach are, and then also I need some help, so I'm hoping you'll help me out and find 3 recipes for spinach, or 3 recipes that have spinach as an ingredient, and share those with me. That would be super great. Events in history. This is an American poet's birthday, and that poet's name is Robert Frost. So the challenge is to find the year that Robert Frost was born in, and to find a poem that he wrote, and maybe an image that goes along with that poem. In 1827, on March 26th, Beethoven said, "I shall hear in heaven." So the challenge is to find 3 interesting facts about Beethoven, and maybe find some music that he composed and listen to it and let me know what you think. In 1937, on March 26th, residents of Crystal City, Texas dedicated a statue of Popeye during a spinach festival. So I think it's interesting that they had an entire festival dedicated to spinach. So the challenge is, 1, find a picture of that statue of Popeye. Maybe find out what Popeye was. And then also I want you to think about, if they created a festival for spinach, what would you have a festival for? Like, what's your favorite thing? And what kind of festival would you create for that favorite thing? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to share some motivation from 365 Days of Wonder. And today our motivation comes from the Dalai Lama. He said, "Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible." So the challenge is to be extra kind to someone today. Maybe do a video message to someone and email them or share with them. Maybe send a card to somebody. Maybe draw a picture for somebody. Do something extra kind for somebody who is important to you. And that is all I have for right now for our morning meeting. I hope that you have a great day. Go outside and enjoy the sunshine. Learn something new, and thank you for staying connected with me as we learn, laugh, and lift each other up. I'll see you back again at 2:30 for our daily debrief.